Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about PIA Proxy. As you all know, PIA Proxy is currently down, right? Yeah, so I'm going to introduce you to some proxies which are very effective, more than the PIA Proxy, right? Yeah, so if today is your first time on this channel, kindly give us a subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comment section, right? So without wasting my time, let's get started. So for some days now, PIA Proxy is not active, right? You can all testify to that fact. As you can see, I have 30 proxies over here. If I try connecting, there would be a problem. But you can see there are no proxies available. Yeah, so PIA Proxy is currently down at the moment, and it's a worldwide issue. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking me in the comment section, my DMs, PIA Proxies having issues. Yeah, so these are some of the proxies you could use in place of PIA Proxy, okay? So we have the 9 Proxy, which is a very sharp proxy, right? Yeah, the pricing is a bit okay, but then I have very cheaper prices as compared to the ones on the website, okay? Yeah, so if you're interested, all you need to do is to contact me. I'll leave my number or my WhatsApp details in the description, so you just contact me and then I'll get you some very affordable as compared to this one. And also the second one is 922 Proxy, okay? 922 Proxy. It's also similar to 9 Proxy, okay? But I would recommend 9 Proxy to you because it's sharp, yeah, it's very like it's similar or even better than the actual PIA Proxy. Yeah, so that's it. If you need Proxy, you can just hit me up and then I'll get you some, okay? So 9 Proxy has the IP package, the GNB package, and the bundle package. I think the common one people mostly buy from me is the IP, right? Yeah. So as you can see, these are the pricing over here. Yes, 100 IPs goes for $20 on the main platform. But if you come to my DM, I'll get it for you at a very affordable and cheaper price. Yeah, same as the 100 proxies or the 100 IPs. One is also going for $105. It's also sell very cheaper than this. Yeah, so that's it. If you want a video on how to connect it on your phone or your PC, I'll be dropping a video very soon on how to use those stuff. Yeah, but then for the those who are using PC, after configuring your proxy, you can use Potato, this particular app, yeah, Potato, to configure it onto your phone. Yeah, so that's it. 9 Proxy is one of the best proxies I've seen so far. Yeah, so that's it. The pricing are cool on the website though, but then I can get you the very cheaper ones. And you text me, so I'll leave my contact details in my description. So if you need any, you can just hit me up, okay? Yes, and also with the PIA Proxy, no one who's when it will be available. Once it's available, I'll update you all. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly like this video and leave your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in my next video.